Meet Dave. Dave loves to cook. For himself, for friends, and even for his co-workers. Dave's friends love to cook too. Jiena makes awesome rice paper rolls. Antonia has nailed her Nonna's Arancini recipe. Meet Kristina. She loves authentic, home-cooked meals, all the things she can't find at the food court. Cook & Co is the new way of connecting Dave to Kristina. Dave uses Cook & Co to share his passion with others and make extra money doing what he loves. He posts photos, details of his dish, and sets his price. Kristina browses what's available over the next few days, selects the dish she wants, and pays online. Then it's meet, eat, and repeat. Kristina loves the meals and gives Dave a 5-star review. Cook & Co connects great cooks to people hungry for authentic homemade meals.